case of rain. On the job today, we've got a couple of tents packed in, ready to go. Ladder, table to work on, bunch of accessory tools inside there, some remote power. We've got our solar up on the roof, and we're loaded up, we're hitched up. Got our modules in the back, all the tools, coffee, ready to go. Truck's ready, trailer's hooked up, and let's go. Never had out off to the job without double checking trailer hookup, making sure the safety pins are all in, chains on, wheels up, cable plugged in. Looks good from here. Let's go check the tires here. Lights are working. Flashing lights, brake lights, signal lights, so if they're working, license plate light is on, and all the tires are good. So let's go get this job done.